The Dome of Light in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, is a captivating and iconic masterpiece that leaves a lasting impression on cruisers fortunate enough to visit this vibrant city. Here's our wonderful taxi driver showing me how to get to the Dome of Light at Formosa Boulevard Station. As one of the world's largest public art installations made from individual pieces of colored glass, the Dome of Light, located in the Formosa Boulevard MRT Station, is a stunning representation of artistic and cultural significance. Wow, this is amazing. What a surprise! There's a music class going on here. Cruisers stepping into the Formosa Boulevard Station will find themselves immediately immersed in an ethereal world of light and color. The dome, created by Italian artist Narcissus Quagliata, is a kaleidoscopic display of intricate designs and vibrant hues. Its mesmerizing beauty is not only a treat for the eyes, but also a celebration of Taiwan's rich cultural heritage. The Dome of Light serves as a symbol of unity, reflecting the harmonious coexistence of different cultural elements. The intricate glasswork tells a story that resonates with both locals and visitors, illustrating themes of human rights, love, and the cycle of life. The immersive experience is heightened by the natural light that filters through the dome, casting ever-changing patterns on the surrounding architecture. Visitors are likely to find a sense of tranquility and contemplation within the Dome of Light. It provides a unique opportunity to pause, reflect, and appreciate the beauty that can be created when art and culture intertwine. The juxtaposition of modern transportation infrastructure with a timeless artistic creation makes the experience even more memorable. Cruisers will appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail in each piece of glass, showcasing the artistic prowess that went into its creation. The Dome of Light is not just a static piece of art. It's a living canvas that evolves throughout the day, transforming with the changing angles of sunlight. In addition to its aesthetic allure, the Dome of Light serves as a testament to Kaohsiung's commitment to fostering a cityscape that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. Cruisers should take the time to absorb the cultural richness embedded in this masterpiece, capturing photographs that not only document their visit, but also encapsulate the spirit and essence of Kaohsiung. Overall, a visit to the Dome of Light in Kaohsiung is an enriching and visually stunning experience for cruisers. It adds a layer of cultural depth to their journey, leaving them with not only memories of a beautiful work of art, but also a profound appreciation for the cultural tapestry of Taiwan. It's time for me to leave and get back to the ship. I will need to pass through this underground marketplace to get to the exit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating destinations.